Well, there's been a lot of political pressure, and not just from the governor, but from others as well, to take the ash out of the old retired ponds. Y'all have talked previously about having options, of which removing the ash physically was one. Are you more likely to remove the ash now in light of the Dan River incident?
You know, as we develop the plans, we're certainly going to take lessons learned from Dan River as part of our planning, and our objective is to ensure safety, good environmental stewardship, and doing the right thing for the citizens of North Carolina. So we'll have a plan ready to go in response to the governor's letter shortly.
As you develop that, what are the sort of the guiding influences on it? You have a very big engineering project, potentially, to close the ponds or remove the ash, and it's very expensive as well. So what are the guiding things that Duke will pay most attention to in developing that strategy?
Public safety, environmental safety. I would say in the construct of trying to do the right thing in this period around these basins. So actually, as we thought about putting together our thoughts for the governor and how we developed our plan, we'll be outlining some of those guiding principles.
And you did, during the analyst call, sort of distinguish between cleanup costs for the Dan River spill, which you said the company will bear, and then other costs to close the pond. So does Duke expect customers, not the rate-paying side of the house, to pay for the closure of the ash ponds and the removal of the ash if you do that?
So, you know, Bruce, we've taken responsibility for the spill and for the cleanup of Dan River. You know, ash pond closure has been a plan for a very long time. We've had plans to close ash ponds. And because that ash was created over decades for the generation of electricity, we do believe that ash pond disposal costs are ultimately a part of our cost structure. But the determination of payment will be up to the North Carolina Utility Commission and how they handle that. So I think that's something that will unfold over time.
Have your engineers given you any kind of cost parameters for that?
We haven't been focused on costs at this point, Bruce.
Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you.